Hello guys! Kami po ni Love ay nandito sa Putak-Tikba. Yan siya. Naglalakad. Nakikain lang kami ng KFC.
Hi! Walking with my date, my beautiful wife, ang aking everything. Yan, ang aking everything. Valentine's Day in advance with the wedding ring, engagement ring, yan, married ring. Ganda na asawa ko, no? Ganda na asawa ko.